Warning. The stunts you're about to see are performed by trained professionals in a controlled environment with the use of green screen, AI, and voiceovers. The creator has no affiliation with the account manager/editor. Don't try this at home. Hey man, before y'all get to crying in the comments or YouTube start tripping again, everything you see in this video was filmed with professionals in a closed course. Ain't nobody telling you to go do donuts in your mama's Civic out to the HEB, alright? This is all for the love for the culture. Now shout out to 956Takeovers. They pull up deep, loud, and rowdy. Viewer discretion is advised. Now enjoy the show.
Niggas envy, Blicky got the stiffy, got the
I'll see y'all later.
Si dicen que lo prohibido se siente de maravilla, llega a su jale, yo puede. So big, I guess what's up.
Alright YouTube, if you guys have made it this far, make sure to like, comment, and share. We got Tony. Yo. And we got Johan. What's up, Johan? Yo. Look, honestly, tonight's been going good, but it just keeps getting rated. There's a trooper over there messing with somebody, but hey, we got, I think 2 or 3 more spots that they might post, but it should get active. a cop? Alright, let's get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. God damn, bro. Did the rocks actually eat the fucking tire? There's cops. Open the hood. Shout out 956 Takeovers. Check out the next video. How was it? Dude, honestly, the takeover was honestly.
That shit was awesome.
Going on YouTube. It's been 5 months of these takeovers.